Here I have my OTC Evolve connected to a 2010 F-150. My VCI is plugged into the OBD2 port and my key is in the run position with the engine off. On my VCI, the power light is on, tells me my VCI has power. My PC connection light is blinking, tells me there's communication between the VCI and the handset. This is a wireless tool, communicates via Bluetooth, gives me the option to walk around the vehicle, outside, underneath the vehicle without any cables getting in the way. The bottom of the screen is my VCI icon with the green circle and a wireless signal. It tells me the communication is good between the VCI and the handset. If it were a red circle with an X, I would simply click on the VCI icon. I could see my VCI, there would be a connect option there, and I would do that. Since I'm already connected, I don't need to do anything here. Hit the home screen. I already have my vehicle selected. If I didn't, I would hit select vehicle. I could enter the vehicle manually. For canned vehicles, I could use Auto ID, which will decode the VIN found in mode 9, or I could select the vehicle using the history. After selecting the vehicle, I would get an option to select the module. I'll hit the PCM module. That brings me to the home screen. I'll hit special tests. Different categories on the left to find a test, or I can choose all tests and scroll through them on the right. For this example, I will be doing the power balance. This is my favorite special test on a Ford vehicle. It is a great way to diagnose misfires. It'll give you some warnings, maybe some instructions on how to enable and disable injectors during the test. Hit continue after you read each one. That brings me to the power balance graph. And here I start the vehicle, and I can view all 8 cylinders on the bottom here, and the firing is the blue line with gray lines as a history. If I had a cylinder misfiring, there would be a drastic drop off showing me which cylinder is not firing properly. I could also scroll through different injectors. Say I want to disable injector 4, simply hit the disable button, and as you can see, injector 4 is no longer firing. This might be something you see if injector 4 were misfiring. I could disable it and probably wouldn't see much of a change. The RPMs would stay about the same. In this case, since I have no misfires, there was a big change, and that is how you do the Ford power balance test.